Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will be sharing with you, guys, how you can generate free AI images using your smartphone and without using Midjourney. But before diving into the video, please subscribe and put on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new video. Enjoy your watch.
In creating the AI image, this is the site we'll be using in creating the AI image. As you can see, these are some images I haven't generated before. Some past images I haven't generated. So once you want to create your AI image, one thing you should know about this site is that in this site you generate your AI with a credit. As you can see here, these are the credits. Once you open your new account, you'll be having 150 credits. But once you start generating your image, it will be decreasing. And I think the credit are due renews. Once I introduce some hours, the credit, you will have a new credit. Once you exhaust this credit, you will have some new credit some hours later. So that is just about that credit. So if you want to generate your AI image, what you just have to do is to come to this place where we have the prompt. Yeah, where I am pointing the arrow, as you can see, where I type President Joe Biden delivering speech in the night. So looking at this image, you can see this is President Joe Biden. So let's say we want to generate an image. Let's just try another. Let's try another prompt. So let's say a pilot in the aeroplane. An African woman pilot in the aeroplane. So once you put your prompt like this, you can just click on generate. So let's click on generate. So as you can see, this is an African woman pilot in the aeroplane. So as you can see, we have 4 images. So let's say we want more than 4 images. You can just come here and change the number of the images. You can see we have the number of images here. I mean this place. This. You can see number of images. That particular place I box. So to generate more than 4 images, so that we can have a result more than 4 images, we have to upgrade to we have to upgrade this account, this Leonardo account, in order to generate these in order to increase the result we'll be having. So once you want to download your AI, just click on any image you prefer downloading and click on this download icon button. Click on this download icon button where I point the arrow. So once you click on that, you have the AI image downloaded to your phone. So let's try this second image. So let's download this again. So that is just how you can generate your AI image using your smartphone. You just have to put any prompt you want. You describe how you want the AI image to look. You prompt it inside this AI image generation box, and you generate your image. That is just how you can use the Leonardo site to generate your AI image. In the next video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can generate voiceover and convert your AI image into into a live image where you'll be having the AI image talking. So just click on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload this video. Thanks for watching.